Welcome to the Shrines Walk Tour at Ratchaprasong. Most people know this area in the heart of Bangkok for its luxury malls, five-star hotels, and vibrant city energy. But amidst this modern city, you will discover 9 sacred shrines that have truly become the signature of the Ratchaprasong district. For Thai people, these shrines are much more than just places to pray. They offer a space to find inner strength and build confidence before starting important chapters in life, which is especially vital in this fast-paced and highly competitive business hub. Today, we invite you to walk with us and experience the positive energy of these sacred anchors that hold the hearts of both locals and visitors alike. Before we begin our journey to the 9 deities, let me share a few simple etiquette tips for visiting the shrines. Here are 5 easy steps to guide your worship. Dress modestly and be mindful of your words and actions. Stand with your hands pressed together, focus your mind, and place your offerings. If you cannot get offerings, that is completely fine, because your genuine intention matters the most. You will find prayer boards in front of each shrine. You can either chant along with the provided text or simply make a heartfelt personal prayer. State your full name and clearly specify your wishes regarding work, health, love, or finances. The key is to also promise that you will take dedicated action toward your goals afterwards. Finish your prayer by saying thank you. General offerings for all deities. You can respectfully offer fragrant flowers or beautiful garlands. Clean water, milk, and fruit juices are also excellent choices. For food, we recommend fruits like bananas, coconuts, oranges, and sweets that do not contain any eggs. I will also mention the specific items preferred by each deity as we visit them. Prohibited items to avoid. To maintain purity and good fortune, please avoid offering any meat, savory dishes, foods containing eggs, or items with strong odors. A few shrines might have their own special rules, which I will gladly point out to you along the way. Where to get your offerings? If you would like to purchase items to pay your respects, you can easily find ready-made offering sets, flowers, incense, candles, and fruits at the local shops right next to the shrines. If you are ready, let us take our first step onto the Ratchaprasong walk and head to our first destination.